Good afternoon to all of you class 8th student. Now today I am going to start new chapter. This is microorganism, and in this chapter we will study about the virus, bacteria, fungi and all of different types of microorganisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, virus and different types of other microorganisms. So before we discuss, we have to learn what are microorganisms, what are the major groups of microorganisms, economic importance of microorganisms, beneficial microorganisms, harmful microorganisms, food preservation and nitrogen fixation. So we will have to study why we should be, generally our mother say that you must wash your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. To avoid spreading of germs, you should always cover your mouth and nose. Why it is very essential? In previous, before spreading this type of COVID-19, our mother and father also advised us to, whenever if you go out of your home, you must cover your mouth and nose. What are germs? Can we see them? No. Why do they always cause harm to us? Several times you will have seen that the microorganisms are not harmful, but in maximum cases these are harmful also. So let's we have a description on the what are microorganisms. The organisms which are which cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Are called microorganisms. वैसे जीवाणु जिसको हम लोग सामान्य आँख से नहीं देख सकते हैं, उसे हम लोग सूक्ष्म जीवाणु या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स कहते हैं. We can see them only by microscopes. These are fungi, bacteria, germs, virus, paramecium, euglena, yeast, etc. Discovery of microorganisms related to the discovery of electron microscope. is completely related to the discovery of electron microscope. Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Anton von Leeuwenhoek discovered the microscope. In this regard, Louis Pasteur discovered microorganisms in air. मतलब ये हुआ कि एंटोन वॉन लियोनवॉक इन्होंने आपको बरसात के पानी में जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होता है उसके खुद के बनाए गए माइक्रोस्कोप से उसने उसका खोज किया था। लुईस पास्चर ने हवा में तैर रहे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को खोज किया था। अब चलिए जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स क्या हैं उस पर हम लोग चर्चा कर लेते हैं। These are single cell or undifferentiated cells. Second one, microorganisms are found almost everywhere. Almost everywhere. लगभग यह सभी जगह माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स पाया जाता है। दे अकर इन एयर, वाटर एंड सॉइल, डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मैटर एंड इनसाइड एज वेल एज इन एज ऑन द बॉडी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. They are found in air, water, soil, dead and decaying animals or plants. Animals are known in the body of living organisms. थर्ड वन स्टेप्स में हम आपको बता दें, अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस मैक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इनक्लोज देमसेल्व्स. अनफेवरेबल conditions microorganisms hold ourselves. Unfold, you can say, enclose, some microorganisms may be autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprophytes or parasitic. Microorganisms may be saprophyte, autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprophytes, parasites, मतलब ये हुआ कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो है वो अपना भोजन स्वयं बना सकता है, दूसरे पर आश्रित हो सकता है, परजीवी हो सकता है या परपोषी हो सकता है या स्वपोषी या सुपोषी हो सकता है. नाउ अनदर पॉइंट, some microorganisms are helpful to us in agriculture. Helpful to us in agriculture and in industrial raw materials. And yeast reacts with sugar and forms alcohol. some are harmful and some causes serious disease. Serious like COVID-19 virus. Another important point is habitat of microorganisms. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स का आवास कहाँ है, घर कहाँ बनाता है? Microorganisms are practically found everywhere and in all types of environment. Organisms are practically found everywhere and known in every environment. They can be found in air, water, soil, soil of various types including soil of deserts and marshy lands. Soil of various types grown in deserts and marshy lands, दलदली भूमि जिसको कहते हैं. Water including hot water springs, including hot water springs, salty seawater and salty sea waters. आप ये इसको कहते हैं salty sea water and ice cold water. And one in ice cold water. dead and decaying organic matter. Now another point important as well as on the surface of the body of animals including humans. Surface of animals and including humans also. मानव शरीर चाहे वो जंतु के शरीर किसी पर भी ये पाया जा सकता है। इसलिए कहा जाता है जब भी आप घर से बाहर जाएं और वापस जाएं भीड़ से बाहर तो आप स्नान जरूर कर लें। Some microorganisms grow in another living organisms and some are free body. Amoeba can live alone. While fungi and bacteria may be live in colonies. फंगी और बैक्टीरिया जो कॉलोनी में रहेगा। अब बेटा दूसरे दिन मैं आपको माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स में दूसरा चैप्टर जो पढ़ाऊँगा वो था मेजर ग्रुप्स ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स।